Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at PipeDrive and how to use it. So we could try it for free, but basically what it is a customer relations organizer and help you with customer service basically. And it's used by over 100,000 companies, and it's legit. It's a pretty popular tool. So let's click on try it free. Just go to pipedrive.com. So I'll sign in with Google, or if you want, you can use LinkedIn. So it is a paid service, but they give you 2 weeks, 2-week trial. Let's create a password and put your. Oh, you have to add your phone number. So just add it. Then you can get emails, but you have to accept terms. You travel. Say I'm CEO. Never use sales tools. Find new leads. It's probably my first goal is if I were to set up a company. I'll just do we can do a computer parts. How big's our company? Let's say it's small. Company industry. So we'll just do retail, wholesale and retail. And then how many people, you'll just choose this according to your size of your company. And that says for US clients only. You are agreeing to be contacted by PipeDrive. And yeah, it has to do this real quick. So just verify. And you should have made your account and got into PipeDrive. So let's take a basic look of how we are going to use this. So by going to qualified, you can click on the add addition button, and then you could say who you contacted, organization, is that a value, and then expected close date, and then yeah. And then you could do contact made. So you just add people, demo schedule. So if they schedule a appointment with you, proposal made. So they've offered or you offered something, and then negotiations started. I think you can move these somewhere else. Let's say it's on the move from qualified to you made your first contact with them. A list, you could create a list or look at your list. And that forecast where you expect to close and make money. So leads, we have one lead. Add your existing leads. So the potential customers you have, you could import from, if you have a spreadsheet already a list, you can import it from spreadsheets from Excel, or you could just add people that you are going to contact or potential customers. Live chats, you can look at your live chat on through here. You could create all these things, and let's see, you could go to projects, then default name, stage names, continue. Okay, so this is the project. You can add people to it, like add details and description and deals. And you just put your tasks down and assign it to people. So you could do like set up website, assign it to developer, and then do a due date, or like, and then you could assign someone else like a graphic designer to create a logo, or you could like set up other stuff like ordering. Yeah, and then just click the boxes of the tasks. Then yeah. So this would be kickoff. So that's like the next stage, planning, implementation, review. And then you can click completed when it's done. Templates. Go to campaigns. You could start doing email marketing campaigns with PipeDrive. And then click confirm. So I think it's kind of like MailChimp then, where you can like set up emails, like sending emails. So create a custom template. So you just click, or you can use like a theme or already made template. So if I look at website, or you do e-commerce, I would prefer to choose something like this. And then yeah, you could change the images to your products or your designs. So if I click this, I can delete it or I can move it around and whatnot. Let's see. Or change image. Click on change image to add your own image. And yeah, you could like play around with that. Go to your mail. You could connect your email and then send emails and look at emails through this and be more organized. Look at your calendar, your contacts, insights like data, with like any progress and whatnot. And then your products, you can put them here. You could just click add product, CPU, AMD Ryzen 5, and the code, like a barcode, I guess. Unit 1, prices, I don't know how much it is. Tax, right? Save. And then we have our product here. Marketplace is like stuff you can add, download like more tools. You could, yeah. They also have an app, I'm pretty sure. You can use that. And thank you for watching, as this is a simple tutorial of how to use PipeDrive for your business and company.